Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Grid X2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. So if you want to turn off your watch, you will need to wake up the screen on it by pressing any of the buttons. Then press the back button right here to open the menu. Scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it, of course, to enter the settings. In settings, you need to find the option called About Your Watch. It's going to be at the bottom of the settings menu. Tap on it. And here you need to look for the shutdown or turn off button. Oh, here we have it. Turn off button. Once you find it, tap on it, of course. Then press the middle button to confirm. And the watch will turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.